In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna to shop on eBay seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just diving into the world of e-commerce, using Klarna can help make your purchasing experience more flexible and convenient. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently make your next eBay purchase. First things first, open your Chrome browser and head over to the eBay website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you haven't created an account yet, now would be the perfect time to do so. Having an account allows you to track your purchases and ensures a smoother transaction process. After logging in, take some time to browse through eBay's extensive catalog of products. When you find items that catch your interest, simply add them to your cart. This way, all the items you wish to purchase are in one convenient spot ready for checkout. Now on to the exciting part, checking out using Klarna as your payment method. Once you've decided on your purchases and reviewed your cart, proceed to the checkout page. Here, instead of the traditional payment options, you'll want to select Klarna. Klarna is a payment service that offers the flexibility to pay for items in different ways, which is great if you want to manage your spending better. You'll then be prompted to create a new Klarna account or log into an existing one. If you're already using Klarna for other purchases, your existing account will work just fine here. If not, setting up a new Klarna account is straightforward. Make sure to have your mobile phone handy, as Klarna may need to verify your information. Once you're logged into Klarna, you'll be presented with different payment plan options. You can choose to pay for your items immediately, pay later, which is perfect if you need a bit more time before making the payment, or opt for installments, allowing you to spread the cost over a series of payments. Consider each option carefully to determine which one best suits your financial needs and spending habits. After selecting your preferred payment plan, it's time to complete your payment. Klarna provides a secure platform for transactions so you can proceed with confidence. Once you've completed the payment through Klarna and confirmed the order, you're all set. eBay will send you a confirmation of your purchase, and your items will be on their way to you shortly. And there you have it, a seamless guide to shopping on eBay with Klarna. This method not only simplifies the purchasing process, but offers a level of financial flexibility that's hard to beat. Enjoy your shopping experience, and don't hesitate to explore all the convenient options Klarna has to offer for your future purchases.